Hi friends, welcome to my channel Falcon Games. In today's video, we'll discuss about data types in Java. In Java, so we have two data types. One is primitive data types and another one is non-primitive data types. So under primitive data types, again it is categorized into two types. That is number type and non-number type. Under number type, so we have integer type, so that is like byte, short, int, long, and floating type, so which has float, double, which will have a decimal values. And non-number type, so we have char, boolean, string. And under non-primitive data types, those are like object classes, data structures. So what are the default values and what are the size and all? So that you can see in this table. So byte, so it will have a default 0, short 0, int 0. Long you have a 0L, float 0.0F, double 0.0 D. So char, string, null, boolean, false. So the size in bytes, 1 byte. So 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. And the calculation, the range calculation is like minus 2 power of n minus 1 to in the plus side 2 power of n minus 1 minus 1. So that's how we calculate the range. So you can go through to this table. And since Java is statically typed, so which means we have to first declare the data type, and then we have to assign the value, and then we can use it. So how can we use the declare and use it? I'll show with an example. I'll create the class here. So data type examples. Okay, I'll also have a main method I want to execute, and I'll show you. Okay, so first data type is byte. So byte byte bg is equal to, so it will take 2 digits. So what I'll do is I'll assign 2 digit value here. Okay, so next is short. So short object. So maximum we can give 4 digits. So I'll give 1, 2, 3. So then int. So 9 digit, up to 9 digit you can give. So I'll give it. So long. So up to 16 digits. So let me give, and at the end you have to add L, that's mandatory. Then float. So it's a decimal, right? So give some decimal value. You need to add F at the end. This is also decimal type. So whether you want to give D, it's optional. Next is cap. This is how we have to declare it. I'm just showing you. Let me print all these things. Let me execute it. Okay, so you can see the output.